All right, welcome back to the Munchie Radio Show. Here we go. I am launching a little Loom video for a friend to go through some of these procedures with them, and you will be getting the benefit of what I share with them as well as what I share with you in general. Your view is not going to have the benefit of on-screen visibility, but you can see the procedures that I'm using as well as I go. So let's go ahead and get the ball rolling. All right. Hello, everybody. I'm starting up this new Loom video, making sure everything is good to go. I'm going to be scanning some scanning some cards for you today. I've already begun the process, but I'm going to pick up where I left off. Hopefully, it'll be nice and easy for you to see the process as we go. There's 3 major steps for Munchie software. The first one and main one is scanning the actual cards. As you know, the benefit of Munchie software is that we take these scans and give you images. That images can be viewed from anywhere, thus liberating the game store from the physical ball and chain that has kept them in physical reach of the cards as a process to identify them. There's a great deal of liability escaped by not even having the cards, as well as how it opens up who is able to identify those cards. It doesn't have to be somebody that can come into the office. It doesn't even have to be somebody who is in the same state as you. Speaking of which, I have 4 of our staff remotely standing by and already in process identifying items that we have uploaded to them. So today I'm going to go ahead and get that started up. The scanning portion of the 3 steps. Happy to tell you the other steps. They are identification, which my team of grade listers will be identifying the items as they are arriving to Munchie software. And other than grade listing, you have retrieval. Retrieval is actually just to my right. You can't see it too clearly at the moment, but we're going to go through all of those steps so that it's nice and clear how it works and you can understand how it can be scaled up to larger operations. But today it's basically a demonstration of speed and functionality. I am sharing my screen with you, Loom viewers, so you can see that I am checking the scanner settings for basic verification. So this is Game On is the name scheme that we're using for these items. And I have, well, I'll go ahead and get started right here. I have a unique way of doing things that I am glad to share with others. I'll show you on my screen what I call the sequencing tool. So standard users will reasonably put in a batch of 50 cards, but I like to move a little bit faster on the long run, so I put in a few more. And to keep track of my sequencing, I use this little chart. Let's see, as we're going, I will also review how to clean this there. Let's go ahead and get started with scanner number 1. Yep. All right, so as you can see right here, this beautiful device is scanning the front and back images of these items, putting them locally onto my computer, which I will then upload those images to Munchie software. So I am using 3 scanners at the same time just to get a little bit faster. But with a single interface right now, you've seen real time how long a scanner takes to capture that nice high resolution image. I have a Brother label printer, which makes very nice labels for me to seal to the team bags that hold the cards. And where I am in my sequence on my screen, Loom viewers, you can see I am on this range of 119 to 177. So I go ahead and highlight that range, hit copy. And then I move on to the second scanner. And to me personally, I love the sound of 3 concurrent scanners scanning cards. It just feels like it's moving fast. I don't know. It's worth the setup. I think this whole setup of 3 computers, 3 monitors, 3 scanners, the cables for interconnectivity, and a power strip. Um, $2,000 is probably what you could work as a base price for. Step up in quality on the different devices as you see fit, other than the scanner. Maybe 3. No, $3,000. I'd say 3, because you probably do want a decent computer. You can get a basic PC for a couple $100 these days, and that is honestly all you would need to work with one of these scanners. You can use